Bro, good morning.
Hello, good morning, bro. How's it going?
Nice, nice. How about you?
Not too bad, not too bad. Congratulations, Mr. Ramol.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the live.
Nice, bye.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the live. So again, here we focus on trading gold from NYSE to London close. The focus is discipline and build consistency over time. So if that resonates with you, stay tuned and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Let's get
Wow.
started.
Wow, bro. Wow.
So the daily is bearish and we are rejecting here, right? So meaning that
Mhm.
possibly in the lower time frame we are pushing up. So we can see that on H4 we made a low here and price is pushing up. So I guess if we can find a resistance somewhere here, we can push down. So let's see if that can happen in the 1 hour time frame or 30-minute time frame. So now we are still pushing up. We are coming to this resistance here, right? And on 30-minute time frame, right, we are here. So yeah, basically we need to wait for maybe a support break to push down. Anyway, my bias is sell today, so we'll see. I want to see a resistance here or support break here to push down, or maybe we can have a new high here to come down to make a support, because we can see that 30-minute is pushing up. So if we can even come back down and create a new support to continue up, or a support break to push down. So that's my first bias, but the other thing also can happen. Retracement without making support, we can retrace, have support to push back up. So those are two things. For now, we cannot do anything. Price already moved a lot. But yeah, Amol took an interesting buy here. Let me see. What is it? Oh, okay. We had this resistance. We broke above, retest and break the high. 26 pips, all done. So here 90 pips stop loss, and here 86 pips stop loss, and on 5-minute we had 60 pips stop loss. Cool. Anurag in the room.
Rag in the room.
So Mr. Amol is now officially a live funded trader.
Yeah.
Wow, crazy. Wow, bro, you are on fire, man.
Anurag also.
You are surprising me. Anurag also?
Anurag also. Anurag.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
You were trading his account?
No. He also passed.
Oh,
With his own.
okay. So you share your trade with Anurag, or he was
No,
just
he
trading?
trades London session. No, London session.
Ah, okay. Wow. You guys, I don't know what's happening, but you need to share your secret.
Risk big, make big.
Risk big to make big.
Yeah.
Okay. And
manage risk.
on average, you are securing like 15-20 pips
10-15 pips, 15-20.
by risking big.
Yeah. Like 2% is big also. 2% to 3%.
2%. Yeah, but it become bigger if your stop loss is big, let's say, because it's 2% in terms of lot size.
I know, but if I don't feel comfortable, I'll close in drawdown.
Ah,
Like
okay.
that.
So you don't let it go to your...
Take the full stop loss. I never let that full stop loss. Sometimes, like
but
1 or 2
but
times.
what if it goes straight into drawdown? What do you do in that case?
Straight into drawdown. I'm okay to lose that. Like 2-3%.
The full
Yeah, full
3%.
stop.
Yeah, okay. Because sometimes your stop loss is 60 pips. So, and you are using like 0. Normally you should use 5 lot or 6 lot. So in that case, what is the lot size you use? If your stop loss is 50 pips, 60 pips.
50 pips, 60 pips lot size.
Yeah. If your stop loss is 50 pips, 60 pips, what lot size you use based off the 60k count?
Or 2 lots.
2 lot? So
Yeah, something
2 lot, basically if you lose, so 20 lot, 20 lot is $400, and
20 lot?
yeah, no, 20 pips. 20 pips is $400, and 40 pips will be 800, and
800.
50 pips will be 1,000. Okay, 2%. You are risking 2% basically.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 lot, and you are securing 20 pips on that.
Yeah, 20 pips.
So you never let the whole position run?
No.
Okay.
Always securing. Nowadays, easily getting 30, 40 pips easily.
Okay. Always securing 20 pips, 22, 23, 15.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Amal. Good. That's good. Maybe, yeah, that's interesting.
Price breaking above, we have some range, but risky at this point.
Yeah, we have this resistance here. Price already moved, right? I think price already moved. Yeah, Raja say whenever you are seeing price moving, just wait for a retracement, support. So yeah, but if we can have a support break here, that will be so great, man. So great to correct this move.
Resistance?
So great. If we can have support here and support break, it will be great.
Support break.
Yeah, that will be great, because it will be the 1 hour bias and H4 bias. We made a low here. Oh, it looks like we are breaking above this area. So the sell idea is probably going off. Yeah, we need to break close below this area. I don't know, so much volume. So we've been ranging yesterday, Monday. Okay, we got some push. Yeah. So yesterday we've been ranging, but today the volume is insane. London session. Yeah, nothing big. Hello Sarah, how are you doing? How is your account going? Maybe I should start watching the chart from 8, like Amal.
I told you earlier.
But this trade, man, the stop loss was too big, man.
Volume is also high.
Yeah, you have a clean range. That's good. No, 100 people on this one will have been great. Like 2 lot, 3 lot. 100 pip, 2 lot. That's or 3 lot. That's 3,000. Also, when it move like 6-7 pips and come back against you, you manage risk, right?
Yeah, always.
But last week you didn't manage risk when it come back against you. You know that big trade I stayed away.
That sell I remember.
Yeah.
I know that it will push down. I was in profit also. No need to manage. You are in profit.
Mr. Ramon. Ha ha ha. Good. Good. Payout in the horizon.
Yeah, let's see.
Same method. Don't change anything. If it's working, double down.
Exactly.
Yeah, for me, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Take. So Sarah, what is your outlook on the market today? Are we bullish, bearish? Yo, this is pushing up, man. Wow. Crazy. She's just pushing up. 200 pip now. Daily. This was a nice setup on daily to fill the week here. Right. It was difficult. Holy. Look what I have here.
What you have?
I have a spider on my mic.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Look.
Wow. If we bite you, you'll become a Spider-Man.
So Sarah, I don't
हाथ से छू
know.
दिया
I'm
स्क्वायर.
waiting for my setup to appear. Just waiting. 20 minutes later, we have news. I do not trade news. Oh, okay. We have news today in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Today in 20 minutes. Oh, today is the last day of the month. Wednesday. So much activity going on. 10 a.m. we have news. Okay, okay. I guess after news we will see something. Yeah, that's what we have to wait. That's what we have to wait. That Anurag. So Anurag also passed the. For Anurag, it was a 5K, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys are. There you go. So Amal, are you gonna take another trade today?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Support from
Okay.
support break. Not interested in buys anymore.
Yeah. So you're gonna take that on I think live account. Okay, okay. Live account.
Yeah, live account.
Yeah. Payout is coming. Payout is coming.
Mhm.
So with your 5%ers, do you have a percentage to reach before
No,
asking
just
payout?
minimum withdrawal is 150.
Oh, minimum. Okay,
Yeah,
wow.
if I
Okay.
make 200, 300, you can withdraw that.
Hmm. So what is your goal? Are you gonna make 5% before withdrawing or?
Yeah, 1.2%.
Okay. Okay.
No 5%, no greed,
Okay. 1
no
2%.
room for
Okay.
greed.
Yeah, 2%. Not too bad for first withdrawal, and you have already made your challenge fees and stuff like that. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
after passing, they don't give you a refund on the challenge
Refund,
fees.
100% refund, 100%.
100% refund
Yeah,
of your challenge fees with the
yeah.
first payout, right?
With the first payout, yeah.
Okay, minimum 150. Okay.
The minimum 150 to withdraw.
Hmm.
Not like
Man,
F100 next scam.
if you make yeah, so if you make 2%, that's great. That's
Yeah.
$1,200
Hmm.
plus your refund. Wow,
Yeah.
that's crazy, crazy.
Easy answer.
Sorry.
Nothing, bro, nothing.
Crazy. I'm always making it. Jamal, you didn't call me for this trade.
Bro, very risky. 80 pip stop loss.
80 pips stop loss. Wow.
Yeah. How can you manage that?
Oh,
Not all.
you had 80 pip. Okay.
Yeah, I know your rules to execute. Whenever there's low stop loss, I'll call you.
Yeah. 80 pips, 60 pips.
Very risky to manage.
Yeah. Yeah, fine. 830. Yeah, this moved, man. We got a strong closure above this area. It was good, but there was just no stop loss. Maybe right here was good as a stop loss. You know, below this, the body of this candle. Probably. So this is like 80 pip. I think 40, about 40 pip, the middle of the range was good. Probably to manage risk.
If
Wow.
price can break and close below 33.04, I think it's not 4, then we can go down. Yeah, 15-minute support.
Oh, okay. We had a support. We have a support here.
Yeah, I'm looking that. If nothing, then if it not happen, I'm done.
Yeah, this is interesting. But we have news in 7 minutes.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, this that will be great to see. This is also a support here on 30 minutes, a previous level here on 30 minutes. This zone is important zone.
Foreign zone to
So
consider.
we broke above here and we pushed up.
What about the numbers expectation?
Oh, look at this. So we broke above
So
here,
they are expecting, previous was,
push up.
they're expecting negative number. Okay. What's the deal?
Yo, it looks
Price
like,
action aligns with news,
yeah.
then I'll just execute after a week up and break. Price should print something.
After this cannot close and weak up and break.
Yeah, no, just
On the
closing below
news.
support.
Ah,
If
okay.
it close below support, then only 15
Yeah.
should close below the.
Yeah.
Otherwise, nothing. It can give a whipsaw moment, and I could be trapped there. I don't want that. Need a closer first.
Yeah, it looked like there was a trade here. I didn't notice after
Where?
this 30-minute cannot close above, right?
No. Price already
No.
stretched. No, bro.
So we broke this support,
Price
right?
already stretched a lot. Nothing trade. No trade was there.
To make a low, we came back to this level again. We closed
1,
above.
2, 3, fourth candle you are taking a buy. It worked, but most of the time it will not work.
Look at this. What happened here? 9:30, right? 15-minute form this structure, right? And we broke this high, ampersand 3 to push up. So here 60 pip stop loss, but looking at the 5-minute, look at the stop loss, 30 pip stop loss, right? To push up 90 pip. I don't know. It look anyway. Let's wait for this thing here. Support break here. We are in business. The only fear I have now is if the news push price down for that idea.
Yeah, it's okay.
What is the expectation?
Negative.
So negative means gold should push up.
Push up, yeah. These all things are just manipulation.
Yeah.
I don't trust this. But what we can do?
We had manipulation here. Boom. And break. Push up. This is good. Rejection candle. Break off the low. Push down. Have you seen that before?
Yeah, always. Many times.
And this is also a 15-minute support break.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Counter trend scenario.
Yeah. So sell stop.
I like
Sell stop.
No, buy stop, sell stop. Wake up and break. Normal price action. I want just normal price
Yeah,
action.
normal price action.
If it
Wake up,
goes down, it's okay. Goes down,
wake
I'm
up
okay.
and break. Yeah. Rejection
I'm
candle.
totally okay with it.
And 200 pip range.
Juicy range.
Bloody or juicy?
Yeah, bloody range.
Bloody
For sell.
range.
Yeah, you're right.
This was a juicy range. What? Yeah, you were only looking for 0.25%. So I was asking why you didn't let this trade run.
Yeah, because I just want 0.5%.
Yeah. So candle closing in 30 seconds. So we will be closing with rejection according to Mr. Amol rules of 30 seconds. It means we will be closing somewhere here with rejection below this support, this resistance.
The next candle can wake up and break the lows. Man.
Man, that's something Amol will bank on.
Yeah.
It depends if the news push it. Right.
I don't want it
Oh,
to
okay.
push.
Look at this. News, there is no big impact, right?
No, bro. Impact will come. Wait.
Okay.
Impact.
What is the news? So it is
This comes straight away, but takes time.
core price index. Pending. We are not seeing the number. Okay, first number. Oh, okay. No move. 0%. 0%. Okay, wake up and break. So for you, the break need to happen after 3 minutes or it doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter.
Wow.
Should break the support.
And
that's it.
What will be the stop loss? 70 pip.
70 pips.
And here 67. And on 5 minutes 70 pip stop loss. That's too big, man. So what should we do on that? One lot, Mr. Amon?
Yeah, you can go with one lot.
50 pips on one lot. This is $500. Hi, you know, I'm gonna stick to my rules. Breaking too soon. Are you in?
Yeah. If it come back, I'll close 50%. 10 pips, 11 pips.
Yeah.
Secured. Secured everything.
I think probably it can push down.
Yeah, it will push down. It was break of the support, bro.
Yeah.
Nothing. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
It moved like 50 pips, I guess. Yeah, 50 pip move is good. So you secure 16 pips?
Let me check. 3. Maybe. Oh, bro, 17 pips. Yeah.
For me, I will probably wait for 15-minute candle to close first.
Yeah, wait for it.
Or even 30-minute candle, depending. it was breaking too soon. And stop loss was massive, man. Massive.
17 pips, 70 pips, not a big deal.
Yeah, but it's massive, man. You know, all these days, I looked at the trades, and most of the time here this was like, most of the time you can have a stop loss between, 30 pip, 36 to 40, maybe max 40 pip, but most of the time you can have about 30 pip stop loss, 30, 35, 40 pip stop loss. So here the stop loss was like less than 30 pip, right? Monday. So yesterday, okay, you took on 15 minutes, don't count that. But last week, stop loss was not that much big. You see 36, 34. So those 50, 60
You need
pips.
to just manage your risk, bro.
Yeah, but I don't know, man. I'm not comfortable yet. No. Not comfortable yet. That's the problem. So here there was no choice, right? 60 pip.
If you're not comfortable.
Yeah.
Because very risky.
Yeah. Because I know myself. Sometimes I will let trade go into drawdown, and because I let's say price move in profit and quickly goes against you, I will be letting that trade and probably wait for it to come back in profit, and it will just continue to push up. And also price moves so much quickly, it can, in one push, it can give you 10 pips. Second push, it'll come into to your drawdown. So this candle is breaking again. I don't know if it's wake up here. It didn't wake up. It didn't give a new wake up. Didn't
It will
broke
continue
this.
to push down.
Yeah, probably. But I wanted it to break this high before breaking the low again. But
yeah, it will continue, but there is no entry now.
But
no
anyway,
entry
the stop loss was too big. Yeah, same entry as you. So 5
yeah, but
minutes.
it already happened. Price rejected. How can you execute now?
Yeah, exactly. So that's why, according to my rules, when there is no SL, I will wait for 15 minute candle to close. That's what I'm waiting. Anyway, I'm not gonna enter now. There is no SL. You see, one push, it kind of moved like 30 pips. One push.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm very, this market, man. No. Crazy. You need to be really, really, really good at reading candles so that your timing after you enter, price don't give you too much drawdown before moving in profit. So that's what I'm focusing on. And also, this is something also I notice on the trade Raja is taking. If you look at all the trade he took during this market, you didn't have too much drawdown. Price just moved after in profit. There is a reason to that. It means you need to be really patient to wait for all the confirmation.
Nowadays, I don't have any emotion.
Yeah,
I don't know why, but
that's what I've noticed.
yeah,
I noticed that
no emotions.
now
No
you
emotion.
have no emotion and you
Yeah.
are trading so good now. No emotion.
Yeah.
No
I
emotion.
don't know why, but not even
Same thing as me. I have no emotion now in regard to okay.
fear of
Yes.
risking is gone.
Huh?
Maybe if I lose one trade, I will be pissed off, but fear of risking is gone. Like I was taking 0.5 lot, if you remember right earlier.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm struggling to grow my account, but nowadays I just go with my regular lot size.
yeah.
Fear of risking gone.
Hmm.
Just like when you were doing your live account,
Mm-hmm.
1K to 2K,
Mm-hmm.
22K.
Mm-hmm.
You were just taking 5 lots sometimes, bro, on GJ. I was amazed.
One time.
One time, but 5 lots on GJ, bro. You could have blown your account, bro.
Yeah, yeah. It could have blown my
Within
account.
seconds. Within seconds.
Bro, that was crazy, man.
I thought you are something like a hedge fund doing that. Big lots. You know something about market. Banker.
Man, yeah, that was risky.
That day we both lost, but you managed to close your day in like $200 profit.
Mm-hmm.
And I was in a drawdown.
I
Then I
guess
tried the same thing to do, then
I,
lost even more.
I guess you were pissed off.
Yeah, pissed off. And I just tried next day I just tried to do the same thing with in gold, but I lost again.
Oh, you tried the next day?
Yeah, with just like you, bigger lot size, stuff like that.
You know, during that time, there is something you explain.
What? Yesterday we had a very nice trade later on PM session. I'll show you. Go to
Yeah.
15 minute and 30 minute. That sell off support from support break. That today I was expecting the same thing. Uh no, go to 15 minute. Go to M15.
For me, I saw the buys. Yo,
Yeah, show me
here
the 15-minute ones.
was the buy.
Yeah. The area was very difficult for buyers, bro. The sell I'll show you 15 minute. Yeah, that support from support break. Yeah, there. The big candle one. That one, that sell.
Oh,
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that was 12 p.m., man.
12 p.m. Yeah.
No,
Very
not
nice trade.
12. 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Yeah.
No way we
Mm.
could have trade this. But for me, the trade was here, right?
Many people took that trade, I remember on the
Right
group.
here was the trade.
Which one?
Here, ample
Okay,
century.
okay, that break. Okay, 1 hour. I
For
was
me,
not.
that was the trade. Price even move
Mm.
130 pip. But this as well, 12 p.m. You know, because we've been ranging the whole day, and 12, that's what happen often. If we range the whole day, 12 p.m. you will have a setup, and that's exactly what happened. And I can see that my bias was buys yesterday, and it just took a few time before coming, but it played out. So that's something interesting. If you look at the 30-minute, so 1 hour it was more clear, but on 30-minute you can see that we broke above this resistance. Previously we were watching this resistance during our session. So first break we didn't push up, so it came again and broke here. Ample entry. This is 37, and obviously price moved to this area 90 pip, but on 1 hour it's even, you know, it's even more clean on 1 hour. From here 38 pips. Yeah, on 15 minute Usually these are the kind of trade I like to have, because you have good stop losses, right, within 30 pips. I will be more confident in taking those type of trade.
This 15 can close below the support.
Yeah, from here it was a bit risky because of the 30 minute, but
No. In the current scenario, 15 will close below the support.
oh, right now
15 is closing below. Just check 15.
oh, we are rejecting.
Oh, now it rejected. It's closing below.
Yeah.
Keep an eye there, bro. Don't miss.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. That's what happened to me all the time.
All the time, bro. That buy you missed and I took that trade. You were explaining the maths.
So 15
And maths
minutes
cost you a trade.
15-minute closing, but yeah, we have no confirmation yet. We have no confirmation yet. It's rejecting. And 30 minutes. Yeah. We'll have to wait. So
Nothing.
right here, what if price started to move against you? You will have take the full stop loss?
Huh?
After you
No.
enter here, what if price
No,
just...
I was managing it on 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So, okay. Entry was somewhere here. So on 5 minutes, stop loss was still big on 5 minutes. Look at this.
Yeah.
So you will have take the full stop loss.
No. If current candle start to break 50% of the current body, like 50% retrace, I'll close 50% there.
So I think I'm gonna wait for Mr. Bank webinar this weekend. Oh, next week. I think next week. Is it next week?
Yeah, next 4th of May.
4th of May. 4th. Sunday. Oh, okay. This week. It is this week.
I just gave it a chance. If it break, I will give it a chance if it break the previous candle high.
Oh, 15-minute high here
Yeah.
to push up.
30 is taking liquidity and flipping.
Ah, okay. What is the stop loss here? 50 pips. Oh, what's going on? Okay, 5-minute hard support. Okay. Oh, Mr. Amol, but you already took a win.
Yeah, reducing my lot size. Like 0.5 cent lot.
Yeah, this is a rejection. But what's... yeah. Okay. It looked like it doesn't want to go down because this close weak bearish candle and this one week down and breaking here. Yeah. So first problem, 15-minute, but this 30-minute liquidity to push up, 15-minute break, weak candle and break off the high. Yeah, maybe it can work. We have a nice clean range at the break to push up. Yeah, maybe it just don't it's just not I just don't execute like that, but it's okay. It can work probably. Amol is in. Okay, 4 pip profit, 4 pip. 6 pip.
It went 6 pips and came back close 50 there.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. They are at break even 50%.
6 pip. Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, I'm on my live account, bro. Spread is 1 pip only.
So you're gonna let this one run, or?
Yeah. I'm waiting for this M5 to close above 33.10. I lost $2 there at break even when I closed. Wow. Push more. Like 12 pips, maybe. 12 pips. Give me 12. 5 minutes just closed. 5 minutes just closed. Just closed.
Oh,
It should
5 minute
not.
close. 5 minute close strong. This is good.
Yeah, but it should not retrace more than the 50% of the previous 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it went 11, 12 pips. I'll secure if it give me 12, 15 pips. Fuck. Rejecting.
It's gonna push up. Don't worry.
Yeah.
5 minutes is strong.
I just want 15.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
gonna give
secured
you.
full.
Yeah.
Secured full.
So this kind of trade, it's just better to keep your stop loss here at the low here. That's safer. Maybe at the break of this low, you could have closed 50%, but this kind of trade, particularly, you need to keep your stop loss below this low.
Yeah, but I aggressively manage risk.
20
I don't
pips.
want price to go 6 pips, 7 pips and come back to my entry.
Yeah,
I don't.
that was good, you know. Close
Because
50%
nowadays
there.
volume is so high, it's easily giving you 10, 15 pips.
Yeah.
No business for price to go 6 pips, 7 pips and come back to your entry.
Mm-hmm.
It can even reverse very hard.
Mm-hmm. Agree.
I will be right back in 5 minutes, bro.
Now, we know gold has fallen down. Let me just secure this right over here. All right, done. Now, let's say that you missed out on all this move as price came down. What are you going to do? If we take a look on the 30-minute time frame, you will see how they're just candles. There's no market structure. So my favorite thing would be to look at the 15-minute, and I'm going to be looking at this zone plus the resistance which we are creating right over here. Now, this is very, very important because of two reasons, right? Number one reason is because we know that the trend is bearish now. And if you want to take a buy, you're basically taking a buy in a downtrend. So what I would like to do is I would want to see that if we have a resistance, I want to see if we can break this resistance, right? Once you have a candle forming like this to break this resistance, then you have confirmation that we could possibly correct this move. This is very, very important you know, and we all know there was an impulse tree from here, the price came down, but anyway, whatever, right? But this is what I'm trying to say. If you have a trend that's coming down, don't just take buys and hope that price will continue to go back up. Look for a very mindful confirmation so we can continue to push back up. So waiting for candle confirmation is the best thing you can do. Plus, if you look at the spreads there on gold, 1 pip spread on gold on Dominion markets, nothing gets better than this. So anyway, be safe. Now, we know gold has fallen down. Let me just secure this right over here. All right, done. Now, let's say that you missed out on all this move as price came down. What are you going to do? If we take a look on the 30-minute time frame, you will see how they're just candles. There's no market structure. So my favorite thing would be to look at the 15-minute, and I'm going to be looking at this zone plus the resistance which we are creating right over here. Now, this is very, very important because of two reasons, right? Number one reason is because we know that the trend is bearish now. And if you want to take a buy, you're basically taking a buy in a downtrend. So what I would like to do is I would want to see that if we have a resistance, I want to see if we can break this resistance, right? Once you have a candle forming like this to break this resistance, then you have confirmation that we could possibly correct this move. This is very, very important, you know, and we all know there was an impulse tree from here, the price came down, but anyway, whatever, right? But this is what I'm trying to say. If you have a trend that's coming down, don't just take buys and hope that price will continue to go back up. Look for a very mindful confirmation so we can continue to push back up. So waiting for candle confirmation is the best thing you can do. Plus, if you look at the spreads there on gold, 1 pip spread on gold on Dominion markets, nothing gets better than this. So anyway, be safe. Now, we know gold has fallen down. Let me just secure this right over here. All right, done. Now, let's say that you missed out on
Candle just closed.
Yeah, so I'm wondering this one. I guess we need to break below. We need to break below this low to push down. We have this structure, cannot close with no bottom wick. I guess that's what need to happen. So we got that resistance, and yeah, we need to break the low here to push down.
Yeah. In order to go down,
Yeah,
need to break the low.
let's watch this carefully, because there is no entry here and this is a long wick. Right, stop loss is immense. This is no bottom wick. So at the break of this low, we are breaking too soon. So let's
Just
wait.
execute.
Just execute? No, I have to respect all the rules. You know,
Okay.
from now, all the trade I'm taking in this account need to respect all the rules of execution. They need to respect everything. (10:30 a.m.) Okay, 246. Stop loss is too big, 69 pips. (3 minutes). Stop loss is too big.
If it come back, I'll close 50%. Yeah, secured full. Now I am done.
Yeah, you made big gain. Big gain, big guy, big gain. Yeah, this is too big for me, and that's fine. I'm gonna wait. So YouTube, I will wait for the 15-minute candle to close to see if there is an entry to still get some of this move. Other than that, I will be done. So I will stop the live stream, and thanks for joining. Today no trade as well, and that's okay. We're gonna wait, stay disciplined, and wait for our trade. You know, it's not about taking setup, it is about taking our setup. So have a good rest of your days. Bye bye.